We did a purchase order ME21N. We did goods receipt MIGO. We saw this entry getting generated, raw material to GRIR, and now we have the invoice receipt, that is Myro. Okay. Now just think what else can happen. At invoice receipt, there might also be difference at the price level. At invoice receipt, there might also be difference at the price level. Now, what price level difference? As of now, we knew that at the purchase order level, when we placed the order, we knew it that there is a standard delivery charges which will be applied. Okay, those were applied. So those were also accounted as freight provisions in goods receipt level because we knew the charges. What about if there are some unplanned delivery charges and those are added at the invoice level? What about if there are some unplanned charges, unplanned delivery charges, and those are also added to the invoice level? So that must also needs to be accounted. There might be difference at the invoice level also, and that needs to be cleared through Myro. Okay, we will be posting the invoice through Myro, and we will also check and try to post the unplanned delivery charges at the invoice level, which have not yet been accounted at goods receipt level or at purchase order level. Whatever has been accounted at goods receipt level, that will definitely be accounted over here. But in addition to that, there will be an unplanned delivery charges, which we will go and check right away. Okay, let us go and check whether first of all we have some GL of unplanned delivery charges or not. If not, then we need to create it. So let us go to FS00. Once you go to FS00, the expenses, you have a GL of freight. So I am going to rename it right now. I have not yet entered anything into it. So I'm going to rename it as unplanned freight. Let's say unplanned freight. Okay, that will be great. Unplanned freight. Okay, you can also give a detailed description like unplanned delivery charges. And once I have done this, I will just click on save. So this is done. Okay, now we have an unplanned delivery charge GL called as 400388. Okay, fine. Okay, so now 400387 is our GL. And what I will do now, how this unplanned delivery charges basically impact. So that also you need to configure. Two things you need to configure. Number one thing, you need to configure this in OBYC. Why OBYC? Because whatever is getting posted, that needs to be posted through automatic account determination. So even in for this GL, you should have post automatically enabled. So you have the post automatically enabled. If you do not have this enabled, then it will not work for integration. Correct. So what do you need to do? You need to now do the automatic account determination for unplanned delivery charges. But prior to that, we also need to understand. Let me go directly to SPRO. Okay, and I will show you. We will go to materials management. Within materials management, we will go to logistics invoice verification. And within logistics invoice verification, go to incoming invoice, and then you can see configure how unplanned delivery costs are posted. So that's what we need to configure. It is posted as a separate line item. And what we will do, we will just select our company code ABP, and then what I will do, I will just go over here and different line item. I want to post this unplanned delivery cost as a different GL line item, and that's what I will just click on save. So that's I have done it. So the unplanned delivery charges will be posted as a different line item. Now what next? What next is, because these are unplanned delivery charges, we also need to do the automatic account determination. So we will go to OBYC. In OBYC, you need to select the account key UPF. UPF is for unplanned delivery charges. Okay, so I will go down. Okay, and I will go down, and here it is UPF unplanned delivery cost. Select this, select your chart of accounts. Once you enter your chart of accounts, enter the GL. Now, what is the GL of this? We just need to go and check this. Okay, we just need to go and check what is the GL of this. Enter the company code, and then you need to go to freight or unplanned delivery charges. We mentioned it just now. Let's see. Here it is, unplanned delivery charges. That's our GL, and just save this. So we have also done the automatic account determination of UPF, that is unplanned delivery charges. Okay, so that has also been done. Now what next? Now the next thing is we need to go to the T code Myro to enter the invoice. Okay,